well there, and these ligands which can be formed bonding with the central metal. Ligand which is acting as the Lewis base, and a metal which acting as the Lewis acid in the formation of the coordination complex. Lewis base, that means which donates lone pair of electron to the central metal, while Lewis acid, that means which accept lone pair of electron to the itself from the ligand. So this is about the Lewis base and Lewis acid. Also, whereas in their type of the ligands, classification of the ligand, monodentate ligand, multidentate ligand, which is also further classification whereas in there, that is the bidentate, tridentate, tetradentate, hexadentate. Also whereas in their ambident ligand. After that, whereas in their important basic points which are the involved in the coordination compound, that is a common salt, and also whereas in their complex salt, also whereas in their counter ion, coordination sphere, Werner theory. In the Werner theory, whereas in their first coordination sphere, second coordination sphere, and up to the last lecture, whereas in their classification of the complexes. In that classification, there are two classes already we have discussed there. First one, that is a classification based on the type of the ligand, homoleptic complex, and second one, heteroleptic complex. Homoleptic complex in which all ligands, these are the only one type, while in case of the heteroleptic complex, which is having two or more number of the ligands, these are the different. So this is a heteroleptic complex, whereas in there, also whereas in their classification which is based on the charge on the complex. First one, cationic complex, which is having a positive charge on the complex. Anion sphere complex, which is having negative charge on the coordination sphere. And neutral sphere complex, which is having no positive, no negative charge. That means these are the neutral. So this is about the up to the last lecture. Now from this lecture we are doing study here. Next one point, that is IUPAC nomenclature of the coordination compound. IUPAC, that means International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. So this is a long form of the IUPAC, which is given there. IUPAC, that means I means international, U means union, P means pure, applied chemistry. So this is a long form which is given there. So there are some important rules which are the given here for the writing naming of the given complex. So there are some rules which are the given there. First one, in naming of the coordination ion or neutral molecules, ligand name first and then name of the metal. That means we are writing their name of the ligand first, then name of the metal. Okay. So this is the first one rule which is given there. म्हणजे एखाद्या कॉम्प्लेक्स मध्ये काय करतो आपण, कॉम्प्लेक्स आहे त्याच्यामध्ये लिगँड आहेत, मेटल आहेत, पण याच्यामध्ये लिगँडचं आधी नाव रायटिंग करणार आहे, त्याच्यानंतर मेटल्स. So that is a first rule which is given there. Name of the ligand first, then name of the metal. Second one rule which is given there, that is in case of the anionic ligands. Anionic ligand, that means these are the having negative charge on these ligands, which are known as the anionic ligand. These anionic ligands, we are ending IDE to the O or ATE to the ATO. That means, for an example, if there is a fluorine, fluorine which is a negative ligand, fluorine का इथे है, which is a negative ligand. So in this case, we are writing there fluoride. In place of the fluoride, we are writing there fluoro. IDE replaced from the O. In case of the chloride, we are replacing here IDE with O. In case of the iodide, iodide means last IDE, which is replaced from the O. So that is about the anionic ligand which is given there. Also ATE, in case of the negative ligand, if anionic ligand which is end with the ATE, then we are replacing ATE with the ATO. Just E replaced from the O. So this is the second one rule which is given there. Third one rule, name of the complex. In case of the name of the complex, we are writing in the single or one single word. In case of the writing of the name of the complex, we are not giving a space in between name of the metal and ligand. So in this case, we are writing in the one single word, that means without space. There is a no space we are applying here. If there is a ligand and metal, in case of the different ligand, and in case of the metal, whatever ligand and metal, we are not writing there any space. We are writing in the one single word. We are writing name of the complex. Next one, fourth one rule which is given there. In case of the name of the metals, we are writing oxidation state in the Roman name, Roman number. मीन्स एखादा कॉम्प्लेक्स काय करायचं, पहिल्यांदा लिगँडचं जे नेम आहे ते रायटिंग करायचं आहे. त्याच्यानंतर नेम ऑफ द मेटल. ओके, ॲज पर रूल, इथं जसं रूल दिला त्यानुसार लिगँड नेम फर्स्ट, दॅन नेम ऑफ द मेटल. त्यानंतर काय करायचं आहे, इन केस ऑफ द निगेटिव्ह लिगँड IDE replace from the O, and in case of the ATE replace from the ATO. We are writing name of the complex without space. We are not applying their space in between two words. We are writing in the single word. Next one, after writing a name of the ligand, after writing name of the metal, we are writing their oxidation state in the Roman number. Roman number मध्ये आपण writing करायचं आहे. And in case of the, if more than one ligand which is a present, same type of the ligand which is a present in the complex, so in this case we are applying their prefix which is given there, that is a di, tri, tetra, penta, hexa, and so on. Di means if there are two iodine, in case of the two iodine, how we are writing there, diiodo. Okay, if there are two iodine. If there are three iodine, so in this case we are using their prefix, that is the triiodo. In case of the four iodine, so in this case we are writing their tetraiodo. In case of the five iodine, so in this case we are writing their pentaiodo. So as like this way we are writing their name of the complex. If there are one type of the ligand which is a present more than one, so in this case we are using their these prefix before writing name of the ligand. Next one rule which is given there, in case of the metal which is having more than one type of the ligand, एकापेक्षाही जास्त असतील तर आपण काय करायचे याच्यामध्ये, we are writing name as per alphabetically. For an example, if there is a iodine, okay, if there is a iodine and if there is a bromine, आयोडीन मीन्स काय असणार आहे, आय असणार आहे सुरुवातीला, बरोबर आहे, आणि ब्रोमिनला काय असतो, बी असतो. सो अल्फाबेटिकली फर्स्ट कुठला येतो, ऑब्विसली बी येणार आहे. दॅट मीन्स नेम ऑफ द ब्रोमिन फर्स्ट, दॅन नेम ऑफ द आयोडीन. दॅट मीन्स इन केस ऑफ द more than one type of the ligand if present in the complex, so in this case for preference or in case of the writing name of the complex, we are writing as per alphabetically order. Okay, so this is about the rule which is given there. These are the 6 rule which are given on this page. In case of the 7th one rule which is given there, if name of the ligand itself which contain numerical prefix, so in this we are displaying here number prefix, that is a bis for 2, tris for 3, tetra case for the 4, and so on. That means in case of the breaching ligand or in case of the ligand which is having its itself which is having prefix, जर त्याला ऑलरेडी प्रिफिक्स दिला असेल डाय किंवा ट्राय किंवा टेट्रा, सो याच्या वेळेस आपल्याला काय करायचंय, त्याच्या बाहेर काय करायचं, हे जे आहेत फॉर एक्झाम्पल बीस, ट्रीस असं वर्ड यूज करायचे. आता इथे बघा इथिलीन डायमाइन, डाय हा वर्ड ऑलरेडी इथे यूज केलाय. दॅट मीन्स इन दिस केस वी आर युझिंग देअर प्रिफिक्स, वी आर नॉट पॉसिबल टू राईट डाऊन देअर डाय अगेन हिअर. इथे बाहेर पण डाय रायटिंग करू शकत नाही किंवा आत पण रायटिंग करू शकत नाही. ऑलरेडी इथं आय इथं ऑलरेडी इथं प्रिफिक्स यूज केलाय डाय. सो आपण बाहेरच्या साईडला काय करायचं, डायच्या ऐवजी काय करायचं, 2 असेल तर काय असणार आहे, बीस. इफ देअर आर 3 देन ट्रीस, and if there is a 4 then tetra case. So this is about the prefix we are applying here in case of the name of the ligands. Last one rule which is given there, metal which is a cationic or neutral complex. So usually name of the writing which is a, there is no change in the name of the complex. जर निगेटिव्ह cationic पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज कॉम्प्लेक्स असेल किंवा न्यूट्रल असेल, सो अशा वेळेस नेम ऑफ द मेटल वी आर रायटिंग युजल नेम. while in case of the anionic name or anionic complex, metal name end with the ate. कशाने एंड करायचं इथे ate. So let's come to our few examples which are given there. This is a very important point as per your university, as per your board examination. So in this, this is the one example which is given there. NiCN6 CN4 delay. All of you concentrate on this example. What is which is given there? In this example, NiCN4. आता याच्यामध्ये CN means metal, which is a metal in this example. Nickel, which is a metal, and CN4. CN means which is a ligand. And on this coordination pair, which is a charge on this coordination pair, this is the -2. That means this is the anionic complex. कुठल्या टाइपचं कॉम्प्लेक्स आहे हे? This is the anionic complex. So anionic complex and this ligand, which type of the ligand? So how to determine type of the ligand? Neutral ligand, positive ligand, or negative ligand. So there is a one chart which is given there for the determination of the anionic ligand and neutral neutral ligand which is given there. So in this case, these are the anionic ligand. That is a bromine. Bromine, that means bromide. While writing name of the bromide, आपण writing करताना काय करायचं इथे? Just we are writing there bromo. If there is a chlorine ligand, chloride असेल तर काय असणार आहे? We are just writing there chloro as per IUPAC rule. Fluoride, we are writing there fluoro. In case of the iodide, we are writing there iodo. In case of the cyanide, IDE replace from the O as per rule. In case of the sulfate, सल्फेट असेल तर फक्त काय करतो ATE च्या ऐवजी काय करतो इथे ATO. So this is a sulfate च्या ऐवजी काय करतो सल्फॅटो. Okay. Nitro, we are writing there nitrito as like this way. Also carbonate which is given there, carbonate ATE, E replaced from the O which is given there. While in case of the hydroxide, we are writing there hydro. Oxalate, we are writing there oxalato. Nitrite, we are writing there nitro. Nitrite, we are writing there nitrito. Thiocyanide, we are writing there thiocyanito. Or thiocyanito, which we are writing there isothiocyanito. If this is the one example which is given there, sulfur directly bonded to the metal and nitrogen directly bonded to the metal. दोन्ही सेमच टाइपचे लिगँड आहेत, पण याच्यामध्ये बॉन्डिंग डिफरंट आहे. याच्यामध्ये सल्फर थ्रू बॉन्डिंग झालंय, याच्यात कशाने झालंय नायट्रोजन थ्रू. ओके. सल्फर थ्रू बॉन्डिंग असेल तर काय असणार आहे थिओसायनायटो, and in case of the nitrogen we are writing there isothiocyanate. So this is about the anionic ligands which is given there. All these are the anionic ligand. So all students must be remember this chart which is very important, because if you know this chart, then you can easily identify which type of the ligand which is given there. Neutral ligand, there are just only few examples which are given there, which are the neutral. This is the ammonia. We are writing there in case of the IUPAC name amine. Check spelling. This spelling which is a very important, that is a AMMINE. amine. हे जे स्पेलिंग आहे हे इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक चालत नाही IUPAC नेमिंगला, अदरवाइज मार्क रिलीज होतात. नेक्स्ट, कार्बन डायऑक्साइड. दिस इज ऑल्सो न्यूट्रल type of the ligand. So carbon dioxide we are writing there carbonyl. This is a special naming which is given there. याच्यामध्ये कुठला बेस जास्त नाहीये, फक्त हे स्पेशल नेमिंग इथं दिलेलं आहे. In case of the water means that is a H2O. We are writing in case of the IUPAC name system, that is aqua. I think all students know name of the water, that is aqua. And last one, neutral ligand which is given there, ethylene diamine. Ethylene diamine which is also neutral ligand. So while writing name of this neutral ligand, we are writing there in case of the IUPAC name ethylene diamine. This is the name which we are using there in case of the IUPAC. So these are the these are the anionic ligands and these are the neutral ligand. Positive ligands which are not present there, just only two type of the ligands which are the given there, anionic ligand and neutral ligand. IUPAC नेम की in case of the metal which is having anionic complex. Anionic complex असेल तर काय करायचं? ॲल्युमिनियम असेल मेटल तर कशाने काय करणार? ॲल्युमिनेट रायटिंग करायचं. ओके, एंडिंग विथ एटी. कोबाल्ट असेल तर कोबाल्टेट. गोल्ड असेल तर काय असणार आहे? ऑरेट. ओके, मॅग्नीज असेल तर एमएन असेल काय असणार आहे? मॅग्नेट. प्लॅटिनम असेल तर वी आर रायटिंग देअर प्लॅटिनेट. as like this way. In case of the chromium, we are writing their chromate. Copper, we are writing their cuprate. Iron, we are writing their ferrite. Nickel, we are writing their nickelate. And zinc, we are writing their zincate. So if you know both of these charts, remember all students this chart. If you know very well this chart, then there is no problem while writing the name of the complex. So let's come to the first one example which is given there. I am writing there, doing underline a example, that is nickel which is surrounded by the 4 cyanide. Nickel which is surrounded by the how many ligands? 4 cyanide. What is your first role? तुमचा रोल पहिल्यांदा काय असणार आहे? राईट डाऊन स्ट्रक्चर केअरफुली, then identify complex, neutral complex, negative complex or positive complex, anionic complex, cationic complex or neutral complex. Already आपण याचं क्लासिफिकेशन पाहिलेलं आहे. So this is which is having -2 charge, that means this is 100% anionic complex. कुठल्या टाईपचं कॉम्प्लेक्स आहे? This is a anionic complex. Anionic complex that means metal end. याच्यामध्ये काय करतो? anionic complex असेल तर मेटलचं नेम जो आहे निकेल आहे त्याच्याऐवजी काय रायटिंग करायचं आपल्याला याच्यामध्ये निकेलेट. काय रायटिंग करायचं इथे? निकेलेट. इथे दिलंय बघा निकेल, वी आर रायटिंग देअर निकेलेट. ओके, निगेटिव्ह चार्ज आहे, दॅट मीन्स anionic complex. How many ligands are there? There are 4 ligands. And which type of the ligands? Neutral or negative ligands? Cyanide कुठं आहे बघा याच्यामध्ये? सायनाइड CN मायनस कुठं आहे बघा? CN मायनस. न्यूट्रल मध्ये आहे का CN मायनस? नो, मीन्स याच्यामध्ये असणार आहे दिस वन सायनाइड CN मायनस. CN मीन्स सायनाइड. सो फाईल रायटिंग नेम, IUPAC नेम, वी आर रायटिंग देअर सायनो. काय रायटिंग करायचं याच्यामध्ये? सायनो. रिमेंबर दिस थिंग, सायनाइड रिप्लेस फ्रॉम द सायनो. किती सायनो आहे त्याच्यामध्ये? देअर आर 4. सो विच प्रिफिक्स वी आर अप्लाइंग देअर? दॅट इज अ 4 मीन्स टेट्रा. ओके, सायनो ऑलरेडी इथे रायटिंग केलंय. दिस इज अ सायनो, टेट्रा सायनो. Without space, we are not applying their space in between name of the ligand and name of the metal, or in between prefix and ligand. Tetracyano, continuous we are writing their name of the metal. Which metal? Nickel. But we are writing their nickelate. Why? Because this is a anionic complex. कुठल्या टाइपचं कॉम्प्लेक्स आहे? This is an anionic complex. Tetracyanonickelate in bracket oxidation state in the Roman. In bracket oxidation state in the Roman. So oxidation state of this metal which is a 2, which is a given there. How to calculate oxidation state? Already we are discussed there. And ending writing with the ion, because which is having negative ion, so that is means we are writing there at ending, that is the ion. So this is about the anionic name complex writing which is given there. Next one, second one example which is given there, that is a B example. In B example, what is a B example? CO in bracket C2O4 bracket complete 3 and complex which is having -3 charge, that means this is an anionic complex. आता याच्यामध्ये लिगँड आहे, मेटल आहे. नेम ऑफ द लिगँड फर्स्ट, दॅन नेम ऑफ द मेटल. याच्यामध्ये कुठेही बघा लिगँडचं आधी नाव दिले, सर्वात शेवटी मेटलची नाव आहे. दॅट मीन्स नेम ऑफ द लिगँड फर्स्ट, दॅन नेम ऑफ द मेटल. नाव which type of the ligand? C2O4. C2O4 कुठे आहे बघा याच्यामध्ये? C2O4, this is the oxalate. Which type of the ligand? This is the oxalate. So oxalate E replaced from the O, oxalato. Okay, this is the anionic ligand. So anionic ligand असेल का असणार आहे? Oxalato. How many oxalato? There are 3 oxalato. So we are applying there trioxalato cobaltate. This is a cobalt. This is a cobalt, but this is having minus charge. So minus charge complex वरती आहे, मीन्स का असणार आहे? कोबाल्टच्या ऐवजी काय रायटिंग करतो, इज अ कोबाल्ट, वी आर रायटिंग देअर कोबाल्टेट. इथे दिले बघा कोबाल्टेट in bracket oxidation state, that is a Roman 3 and bracket complete ion. So this is in case of the anionic complex. Compound which contain complex which is having anionic and anion and metal cation. So in this case आता याच्यामध्ये काय करायचं बघा, कॉम्प्लेक्स कॅटायन कशा याच्यामध्ये काय असणार आहे, anion पण असणार आहे आणि मेटल कॅटायन पण असणार आहे. सो इन दिस केस अगेन हिअर नेम ऑफ द कॅटायन फर्स्ट. कॅटायन याच्यामध्ये कुठलं असणार आहे, सोडियम असणार आहे आणि anion काय असणार आहे, दॅट इज द CONO26. This is the anion which is given there. So in this case we are writing there sodium. Okay, कॅटायन आणि anionic जे कॉम्प्लेक्स आहेत याच्यामध्ये स्पेस द्यायचा, ओके इथं स्पेस द्यायचा आहे. त्याच्यानंतर काय असणार आहे, इनसाइड ऑफ द स्क्वेअर ब्रॅकेट त्याचं नाव लिहायचंय. काय आहे याच्यामध्ये, लिगँड कुठला आहे, NO2 मीन्स काय असणार आहे, सोडियम हेक्झा. कुठला प्रिफिक्स यूज केला इथे, हेक्झा, बिकॉज देयर आर 6 नायट्रो, हेक्झा नायट्रो कोबाल्टेट. why we are writing there कोबाल्टेट, because on this square bracket which is having minus charge. तुम्ही म्हणता सर याच्यावरती मायनस चार्ज नाहीये, मग कसं काय सांगताय, बिकॉज सोडियम वरती पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज, मग याच्यावरती काय कुठला येणार आहे, निगेटिव्ह चार्ज. सो दॅट्स वाय कोबाल्टेट in bracket their oxidation state. Next one, in case of the cationic complex. Cationic complex मध्ये काय करायचं असतं बघा इथे, this is the one example, CuNH3,4 and which is having charge that is a +2. So in this example you can observe there what we are writing there. In this example CuNH3,4 +2 मीन्स +2 चार्ज आहे याच्यावरती, मीन्स 100% कॅटायनिक कॉम्प्लेक्स आहे. कॅटायनिक कॉम्प्लेक्स म्हटले काय असणार याच्यामध्ये, नेम ऑफ द लिगँड फर्स्ट, नेम ऑफ द मेटल एंडिंग. ओके, हाऊ मेनी ammonia present in this structure, in this complex, there are 4. So tetra ammonia, which type of the ligand, ammonia means कुठला असणार आहे, this is the neutral ligand. You can observe there ammonia means कुठल्या टाइपचा आहे, न्यूट्रल. न्यूट्रल असेल तर स्पेशल नेमिंग आहे याचं, याच्यामध्ये स्पेशल नेमिंग काय असणार आहे, अमीन, AMMINE. आता याच्यामध्ये बघा टेट्रा 4 अमोनिया, सो दॅट्स वाय टेट्रा अमीन. Check spelling, tetraamine, AMMINE. Without space we are writing name of the metal, which is a metal which is given there, that is a copper. Copper, this is a positive complex, positive charge on this complex, so name of the copper as it is we are writing there. We are not writing there cuprate, because this is the positive complex or cationic complex. Neutral complex and cationic complex we are not changing their usual name. त्याचा युजुअल नेम आपण इथे चेंज करत नाही, ऍज इट इज रायटिंग करतो. सो टेट्रा अमीन कॉपर इन ब्रॅकेट ऑक्सिजन स्टेट, दॅट इज अ 2 ion. So this is about the cationic complex which is given there. Next one, complex which contain complex cation and anion. Complex कुठला असणार आहे, ते कॅटायन असणार आहे and anion. So in this case we are writing their cation name first, then name of the anion. आता याच्यामध्ये कॅटायन कुठला आहे, इनसाइड ऑफ द स्क्वेअर ब्रॅकेट. ह्या स्क्वेअर ब्रॅकेट मधला असणार आहे कॅटायन असणार आहे. anion कुठला असणार आहे, आउट ऑफ द स्क्वेअर ब्रॅकेट. आता याच्यामध्ये देयर आर 2 टाइप ऑफ द लिगँड, वन इज द अमोनिया, अनदर विच इज अ ब्रोमिन. याच्यामध्ये अमोनिया आणि ब्रोमिन. सो इन दिस केस आपण याच्यामध्ये प्रिफरन्स कुठल्याला द्यायचा रायटिंग करताना, अमोनिया और ब्रोमिन. अल्फाबेटिकली कुठला फर्स्ट येतो, अमीन येतो की ब्रोमिन येतो, दॅट इज द अमीन. ओके, so tetraamine, how many ammonia there, there are 4, so that's why tetraamine. There are 2 bromine, so that's why dibromo. Bromine which is a negative ligand, ammonia which is a neutral ligand. So neutral ligand, this is a special naming which is given there, tetraamine dibromo. This is a dibromo platinum. Platinum, this is the metal which is given there, platinum in bracket oxygen state, and we are writing there out of the bracket, that is a bromine, that is a bromide. Okay, bromide we are writing as it is. So this is the complex which is having complex which is having cation and anion. Next one, neutral complex. Neutral complex inside of the square bracket which is given there, which is having no charge. ज्या कॉम्प्लेक्स वरती, ज्या कोऑर्डिनेशन स्क्वेअर वरती कुठलाही चार्ज नसतो, आपण त्याला काय म्हणतो, न्यूट्रल कॉम्प्लेक्स. न्यूट्रल कॉम्प्लेक्स मध्ये रायटिंग काय करतो, याच्यामध्ये काहीच रायटिंग करायचं नाही, जसं असणार आहे तसंच रायटिंग करायचं. नेम ऑफ द लिगॅंड फर्स्ट, then name of the metal. So there are CO, that means cobalt, that is a metal. NO2, 3NO2, NH3 किती असणार आहे तिथे, 3 आहे. एक नायट्रो आहे, एक अमीन आहे. याच्यामध्ये काय केलंय बघा, इथे अमीन अल्फाबेटिकली फर्स्ट आहे का नायट्रो अल्फाबेटिकली फर्स्ट आहे, अमीन. ऑब्विसली अमीन असणार आहे, याच्यात मध्ये कुठल्याला प्रिफरन्स असणार आहे, अमीन. दिस इज द अमोनिया विच इज हॅव्हिंग न्यूट्रल लिगॅंड. सो ट्राय अमीन, this is the triamine which is given there. Check spelling. Tri, this is a prefix we are applying there. Triamine, trinitro. There are 3 nitro groups, so that's why trinitro. We are using there nitro because this is a negative ligand. This is a negative ligand. You can check in this chart. This is a nitro, nitrito. We are writing there nitro. Okay. So triamine, trinitro, cobalt. CO means cobalt. We are not changing name of the metal because this is the neutral complex and we are writing their oxidation state in the Roman. So this is about the complexes which is given there in case of the IUPAC naming which is given there. Nickel which is given there. So in this example, nickel which is a metal, water these are the ligand, and chlorine which is also having ligand. -2, this is, that means this is the anionic complex. -2 means this is the anionic complex. If there is a positive charge, then that is a cationic complex. But याच्यावरती charge कुठला आहे, -2, that means this is the anionic complex. So in case of the anionic complex, name of the metal ending with the ATE. This is a rule. रूल मध्ये दिले बघा, रूल ज्यांना माहित नाहीत त्यांच्यासाठी सांगतो रिपीट. ज्यावेळेस मेटल कॉम्प्लेक्स वरती मायनस चार्ज असतो त्यावेळेस मेटलचं नाव जे असतं कशाने एंडिंग करतो, ATE. चेक चार्ट विच इज गिवन देअर इन केस ऑफ द anionic कॉम्प्लेक्स. anionic कॉम्प्लेक्स मध्ये निकेल बघा कुठं आहे, निकेल का असणार आहे, दॅट इज अ मेटल, आणि कशाने एंडिंग करायचा, ATE, निकेलेट. ओके. वॉटर, दिस इज अ न्यूट्रल और निगेटिव्ह लिगॅंड, water which is a neutral ligand, and this chlorine which is a negative ligand. So in this case, while writing name of the complex, as per rule, name of the ligand first. कशाच नावाने रायटिंग करायचं आहे, name of the ligand first. These are the two ligands. Okay, name of the ligand first, then name of the metal. But there are two type of the ligand. So in this case, how we give preference to the ligand, as per alphabetical order. Which is alphabetical first? Water means this is a neutral ligand which is having special name, that is a aqua, and chlorine which is a negative ligand. So we are writing there name of the metal, that is a aqua. But aqua का असणार इथे A alphabetically first येतोय आणि chlorine का असणार आहे C alphabetically second येणार आहे. Okay, so there are 3 waters, so that's why we are using their prefix, that is a tri, that is a aqua. I am writing here aqua, 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 triaqua, without space, chloro, without space, name of the metal, निकेल असणार आहे, त्याच्याऐवजी काय करतोय, निकेलेट. ओके, विदाउट स्पेस, निकेलेट. आता इथे स्पेस कमी आहे, तुम्ही कंटिन्यू रायटिंग करा, निकेलेट असणार. ओके, इज द निकेलेट which is given there. In bracket, write down oxidation state, that is a 2. Okay, and write down ion. This is the name of the complex. So this is about the writing name of the complex. So in this example, you can observe there ligand name first. There are 2 type of the ligand. One is the neutral, another is the negative ligand. As per alphabetically, water which is a come first, so that's why name of the water first, that is the tri, and 3 water, so that's why triaqua. Dichloro, there are 2 chlorine, so that's why dichloro, this is a negative ligand, so that's why we are writing there chloro. Nikelate because this is a negative charge, so that's why we are writing there nikelate. In bracket, Roman oxidation state, that is the 2 ion. So this is about the